Very good morning, students. In our previous class, we discussed the initial part of truth table, in which we have discussed what is conjunction, what is disjunction, what is negation, what is condition, what is biconditional statement, and how to operate with conjunction, disjunction, negation, condition, and bicondition. Now, if two statements, next comes implications, and we also discussed what is tautology. Now comes if two statements, if the conditional statement of two statements is a tautology, then it is said that the first statement implies the second. Just for example, if P is a statement whose conditions with Q gives you a tautology, then we will say that P implies Q. Similarly, if the biconditional statement of statement P by condition Q gives a tautology, then you can say that P is equivalent to, biconditional statement gives a tautology, then you can say P is equivalent to Q. Or for equivalence, if the truth value of both the statements are exactly identical, then also you say that the first statement is equivalent to the second. We will try to prove some of the properties which is given in your book in page number 42. Idempotent property, to try it by yourself. I'll start with associativity. One I will do, rest one will be done by you as homework. For associativity, the first one which they have given is P disjunction Q disjunction R, disjunction Q disjunction R is equivalent to P disjunction Q disjunction R. For this, to prove this, we will use truth table only. It is very much visible, or you can see it very clearly that to prove this, we will need three statements. As we discussed in the previous video, that for three statements, number of lines will be, number of rows will be 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. Let's start that first. Say we'll start with P, Q, and R. 8 rows will be required. First about P, this is T, 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 then F, 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 and F. Next comes T, T, F, F, T, T, F, F. Next it will be T, F, T, F, T, F, T, and F. Next we need P disjunction Q. We also need Q disjunction R. We will try one by one. P disjunction Q. For disjunction, as we have discussed in the previous video, that if any one of the two statement is true, if the truth value of any one of the two statement is true, the result will be true. T T T T T T T F T F T F T F T T F T T F F will be F, again F F will be F. Let's try about Q disjunction R. Q and R. Same. If any one of the two statement is true, the result will be true. True, true, true. This is false. Again true, true, true. This is false again. Now I need P disjunction Q, disjunction R. P disjunction Q, disjunction R. P disjunction Q and disjunction R. You have to perform the operation of disjunction between these two columns. T T T F T T T T T F T T T T T F T T F T T F F. Now P and this one, you have to perform disjunction between the first column and this column. You want the column P and column Q disjunction R. I need this one. P disjunction Q disjunction R. P and Q disjunction R. Having this two. T T will be T. T T will be T. T T will be T. T F. T F will be T. F T will be T. F T will be T. F T will be T. And F F will be F. You can see this column and this column are exactly identical. Therefore, this one is equivalent to this. Therefore, P conjunction Q, P disjunction Q disjunction R is equivalent to P disjunction Q disjunction R. I think it is okay. Let's try one more. Pause the video and note this down and moving on to the next number. For commutativity, it will be done. It can easily be done by you. For distributive law, I'll try one. Try by you. You have to prove that P, try number 1, P disjunction Q conjunction R is equivalent to P disjunction Q conjunction P disjunction R. Again, you can see that yes, we need 3 statements P, Q and R. Since 3 statements will be required, number of rows will be 2 to the power 3 equals to 8. And with the statements first, P, Q and R. It will be Q, R. T, then F, F, F and F. This will be T, F, F, again T, again F, F. This will be T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F. As you see, we need Q conjunction R, P disjunction Q, P disjunction R. Again, some more parts will be required. I don't don't think this part will be enough. I'll have to rub something. So let's try. Trying Q conjunction R. For conjunction, I know that if only both the statements are true, then only the result will be true. Otherwise, it will be false. This here, you see those two statements are true. These two, one is true, one is false. The result will be false. There also result will be false. There also result will be false. This again true. This will be false again. This will be false again, and this will be false again. Trying for P disjunction Q. P disjunction Q. At least one of the two statements is true, then the result will be true. T T T T T T T F T T F T F T T F T T F F if F F F is F. Trying for P disjunction R. P disjunction R. T T T T F T T T T T F T then F T T F F will be F F T will be T and F F will be F. Now P disjunction Q conjunction R. P disjunction Q conjunction R. Try for this one. That is, if operation of disjunction will be is to be performed between this column and this column, these two columns. Between these two columns, we have to perform an operation of disjunction. T will be T, F will be T. F will be T, F will be T, FT will be T, F will be T, FF will be F, FF will be F, and FF will be now this one. P disjunction Q conjunction P disjunction R. That is, an operation of conjunction is to be performed between these two. TT will be T, 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 TF will be F, FT will be F, and FF will surely be F. Here you can see this column and this column are exactly identical, and this is equivalent to this. Therefore, P I think it's okay. From number 7, I will try to go on this De Morgan's law. Yes, I am having this. If you wish to note it down, pause the video and note it down. Therefore, the number of rows will be to the power 2 is equal to 4. Trying for P and Q. True, true, false, true, false, true and false. First of all, we'll need negation of P. We'll need P disjunction Q. The disjunction Q, if anyone is true, the result will be true. True, 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 and this will be false. Then I need negation of this one. Now this one will completely ground. I need negation of P. Negation of P, the truth value of P will be changed. This becomes false, false, true, true. Then I need negation of Q. False, true, false and true. Then I need this one and this one. Then I am coming to negation of P disjunction Q. Negation of P disjunction Q this is you have to change the true value of this column. True will become false, this will become false, this will become false, this will become true. Now coming for this negation of P conjunction negation of Q. Conjunction is to be performed between these two columns. False false will be false, false true will be false, true false will be false, and true true will be true. You can see this one is equivalent to this. Therefore, negation of P Q is equivalent to negation of P conjunction negation of Q. Thank you. That's all for today. We'll come to you in the next video very soon. Try to complete your syllabus, complete the exercise and these properties which I have not done. Complete the exercise. In the next video we'll start with set. Thank you.